Smurf, meaning. The word Smurf has two meanings. First meaning, cartoon Smurf. A Smurf is a small blue cartoon character. Smurfs come from a famous cartoon called The Smurfs. They are friendly. They live together in a small village. Children like Smurfs very much. Simple sentence. I like the Smurf cartoon. Second meaning, gaming Smurf. In online games, a Smurf is a very good player. This player uses a new or fake account. The account looks new, but the player is very skilled. Simple sentence. He is a Smurf in the game. Easy understanding. Smurf can mean a blue cartoon character or a skilled gamer using a new account. The meaning depends on the situation. Very easy sentences. Smurfs are blue. Children watch Smurfs. A Smurf plays very well. Smurf accounts look new. Easy memory tip. Smurf equals cartoon or game player.